My name is Andy Phillips, and I just like to say it's a complete privilege to have been chosen as the REO for the South West of the HSE. For those colleagues who are interested in knowing a little bit about where I come from, my family are from North Wales, and my family have lived in North Wales for many years. And I started out my work as a clinical scientist in the NHS and moved around in a number of different jobs in the NHS. And then I moved into executive management, and I was leading large-scale transformation across Wales and then New Zealand and then more recently Australia. So I thought I'd talk a bit about what my thoughts are on starting in this job. I'm really keen that we have a values-led organisation, so the HSE values of care, compassion, learning and trust really resonate with me. The first thing I want to do is make sure that we all have great pride in the health services that we provide, and that the people of Cork and Kerry can themselves be proud in the health services that are delivered to them. So in order to do that, what I'd like us to do is think about the quality of care provided. When I think about the quality of care provided, I think about services that are safe, they're timely, they're equitable, they're effective, they're person-centred and they're productive. Clearly what I want to see is that everybody who works in the health system in our area has a great experience of work, and I know that's not necessarily the case all the time. So I've spoken about care. Let's move on to compassion, because without compassion I think we move away from the reason that we all got into healthcare in the first place. It's been a long time for me since I started in healthcare, but I always wanted to make a difference, and I wanted to make a difference by being kind particularly. So kindfulness, mindful kindness is really important to me, that we all demonstrate that. So compassion for me is not only being compassionate for our patients, but also with our colleagues, with our people that we work with every day. If I move on then to trust, so trust for me means building trusting relationships. And I'd like to build a trusting relationship with you, and I'd like us together to build a trusting relationship with the people and the communities that we're privileged to serve. The last aspect would be learning. And I know that we can do a lot to learn from the things that go well, and also to learn from things that haven't gone quite so well. That's my passion, working together with people to deliver transformational change. And I know that we can work together on this in Cork and Kerry. If there's one thing I've learned in my career, it's the importance of listening to people, working in partnership, and then acting on the things together. So in particular, I'm looking forward to coming and visiting your services, talking with you, understanding a little bit from your patients about how the services are and how we can make them better together. Thank you very much, and I very much look forward to seeing you soon.